Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see things every Google Sites user should know. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we are with our Google Sites homepage. So here we have different templates that are available. So you can just scroll down to this template gallery to check out. If you want to learn more about Google Sites, you can definitely go to our Google Sites playlist, which I'll be mentioning in the top right corner and also in the description. So you can just go there and you can find like multiple topics on Google Sites. Like they will be helping you to build a very professional Google Sites page for you, maybe for your business or for your personal blog or anything. So you can use all those things and you can just build your websites. So now let's see with our tutorial for today. So now let's just take some template. So as of now, let me just go for this template only. So, firstly, addressing this first very important question, that is, can we use it for e-commerce? So, yes, definitely you can use this Google Sites for the e-commerce. So, it has various features which you can use to build a complete e-commerce website. So, you can just go check out the tutorials as I already told you. So, there you can find like how can you add different features to your Google Sites. So, that could help you build a very fulfilled Google Sites e-commerce website. So second comes the preview part. Like whenever a developer or anyone just creates a website, it is something like they want to, if let's say that like we just give some dimensions to this, or let's say that we have this project name in this size. So whenever you just look at that with your mobile phone or your tablet, so there should be some adjustments in this dimensions, because the screen size is different for your mobile phones and for the tablets, compared to your PC. In such situations what happens is, like in sometimes if you don't use some proper editing platform, like there can be different ways how you can build a website. So it depends upon the builder that you use, or the sometimes you will be using this HTML and CSS to build a website. So it all depends on it, like how it is looking in the mobile phone or in the tablet. So this Google Sites is compatible with these three forms. So you can just preview it, so without publishing, so without being publishing it and checking it on your mobile phone and tablet. The one good feature about this is you can use this preview button. You can just click on this preview button, so it will be showing you the different previews which are on the desktop and on the tablet and on the mobile phone. So this is on my desktop. This is how it will look if I publish it right now. So this is how it looks. And if I just choose this tablet, so this can be the mode like how it is looking. So you can see that there are minor adjustments and all, because in the desktop mode we did have this particular menu kind of session, and here we need to open it like this. And there are few adjustments in the font sizes and all. If you go to the mobile phone, so it is a far better, like a far other adjustment that we can see. So it is something that it should be it should be having a better visibility on all the devices, and the Google Sites will be helping you do that without any additional stress and all for your website. So it is compatible in all the forms. You can just get back from here. And then the Google Sites has another important feature that you can use it at most, and you can just build very professional websites. So it is very useful, that is embed. So by using this embed, you can just embed any code. Let's say you want to embed something like a YouTube video onto your page, or let's say you want to embed another page from some other external source. Here you can just embed anything here by using the URL or this code. So some of the things that we discussed in some of the tutorials are how you can embed the Canva templates. So it is just very simple, like very simple steps that you can use, and you can just embed it here. So this particular feature will be very useful for you if you want to make more designs out of this Google Sites templates or designs that are present. You can use the external designs like from Canva and all, and you can just embed them over here. So this particular tool or option can be a very a good one for you if you want to build something out of the box for this Google Sites. And the other thing is that, let's say you are having these two sections and you are like, I just want to create some space in between the sections. So here you can see that we got some space here. So how you can do it? It's very simple. Like, let's say that you're building your website from the scratch and you want to give some space in between these two sections. All you can do is you can just go to the insert and click on the text box. So it will be automatically creating a text box which is movable this way, this drag and drop text box. So this text box will be giving an don't give any text inside this. So this will be giving us an additional space between these two sections. And the other thing that you need to know is that in this Google Sites, you can use this Control C and Control V, that is copy and pasting a section. So you can just copy a section and you can just paste it somewhere. So this works well for the Google Sites. Or you can even use this duplicate session section and you can just move it anywhere you want. And this way you can just duplicate the sections. And then the other thing is that, like, you can have the seamless integration on this Google Sites. So what do you mean by the seamless integration? We have many products of the Google, like we have Google Drive and you have Sheets and all. So once you just go to this insert and you just scroll down, so here you can find this maps, calendars, docs, slides, sheets, forms and charts. So these are all this Google products that you can easily integrate onto your sites, like whatever it can be, your sheets thing, or you can add the forms on your sites. So many things. You can just go check out this how you can add contact forms and all. So but the thing is that, like, you can just use all these things in your Google Sites. So it will be allowing you to connect various things of the Google products. Like, you can just use the Google Docs over here, you can just have this integration. So this is very easy. You can just go to the insert and just choose which one you want to integrate, and you can just perform similarly what are the tasks that you want to perform. So these are the things that you need to know by being a Google Sites user. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you and you learned something. And I wish your website goes really well and professional by using all these tips. And thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro.